In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress using Softaculous in cPanel. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple and practical way. So if you're creating a new website and want to get WordPress installed quickly, this method is one of the easiest options available through most hosting accounts. To begin, log into your cPanel account. This is the main control panel provided by your web host, and it's where you manage important parts of your website, including files, domains, databases, and software installations. Once you're inside cPanel, take a moment to scroll down until you find the software section. The layout can vary slightly depending on your hosting provider, but the section name is usually clearly labeled. In the software section, click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Softaculous is a tool that helps you install popular website applications without needing to manually upload files or create databases yourself. It simplifies the entire process, which is why it's commonly used for WordPress installations. After Softaculous opens, look for WordPress in the list of available applications. When you find it, hover over the WordPress icon and click Install. This will open the WordPress installation form, where you'll enter the basic information needed to set up your new site. Next, choose the domain where you want WordPress to be installed. Make sure you select the correct domain, especially if your hosting account manages more than one. Then enter your site name. This is the title of your website, and while you can change it later from inside WordPress, it's a good idea to set something appropriate from the start. You'll also need to configure your admin login details. Set an admin username, create a strong password, and enter your admin email address. These details are important because they'll be used to access the WordPress dashboard and manage your site. For security, avoid using simple usernames or weak passwords. Also, make sure the email address you use is one you can access, since it may be used for notifications and password recovery. Once everything is filled in, scroll to the bottom and click Install. Softaculous will then begin installing WordPress for you. This usually only takes a short moment. When the installation is complete, you'll be able to access your new WordPress website and log into the admin area using the credentials you just created. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress through cPanel.